Hey guys, okay, so I want to talk about how to determine an inverse. So we have some steps, okay? So first we want to change to the y equals form. Then we want to switch our x and y's, and then we want to solve for y. Okay, so these are our steps. Let me focus. So I'm going to change this f of x to a y, and just rewrite it. I'm then going to change the y to an x and my x to a y. And now I have to solve for y. So I'm going to get everything away from my y. So I'm going to subtract the 21. So I get negative 3y equals x minus 21. Okay, I'm going to divide by the negative 3, divide by the negative 3. That gives me y is equal to, I'm going to separate this, okay, so that's negative x over 3. Negative 21 divided by negative 3 is a positive 7. So I just simplified that, okay? And then we look at this and we say, all right, well, is this a function? Yes, this is a function. To be a function, remember the vertical line test. You can't have two y values to one x. So if I put an x value in, will I get a single y value? Yes, I will. All right, over here, we may be given two different functions and asked, are these inverses of each other? And what you have to do is you're going to have to put one inside the other, and then on this side, you are going to do the opposite, okay? So here I'm going to pick up g of x and go put it into the x of f of x. Okay, so we have the square root 3, and instead of my x, I'm going to put x squared over 3. Okay, we're multiplying that. When I multiply, 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 over 1, so 1 times 3 is 3. Okay. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so they are canceled, and I'm left with x squared. The square and the square root cancel, and I'm left with x. Over here, I'm going to pick up this f of x and go put it over here. So instead of x squared, I have the x becomes the square root of 3x, and the square is still there, over 3. The square and the square root cancel, and that leaves 3x divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, which is x. Okay? So, they both equal x? Yes, they are inverses. If they equal anything other than x, they are not inverses. All right, good luck.